a great man?
At a very young age, I experienced the weight of a man's work fishing. Not by choice, but by responsibility. It wasn't the childhood I dreamed of, but it taught me so much then. I mean, I may have started at the sea, but I am not young.
Finally, you charge me Mzal Pantaleon.
And tonight, I stand here, proof that no dream is too far for someone who never gave up. And I believe, through my stories and experiences, I can say that it makes me, and it makes me shape to be a great man. So to everyone listening here tonight, I just want to say that never underestimate what one opportunity can do. Because everything, never underestimate what one opportunity can do. Because it might be the beginning of the life you always prayed for.